welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare tasty, yummy, delicious and one of my favorite recipe, that is coriander rice. Chalo, without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, take one mixie jar, add some pudina leaves, coriander, ginger, pepper and clove, chilies, garlic, cinnamon, some water, salt as per taste, and grind it into a fine paste. Once done, keep it aside. Now let's turn on the stove, place cooker, add around 3 tablespoons oil, 3 teaspoons ghee, mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, chopped chilies, garlic, ginger garlic paste, chopped onions, and give it a mix. Add pinch of turmeric, salt as per taste. Remember, we already added salt in coriander paste as well. Fry until it gets softened. Once it's softened, add coriander paste and give it a mix. Let's add some peas. Again, mix, mix, mix. Now let's add 3 sears water. 2 and then 3 and mix it well. I took 1 sear rice, washed and strained it properly. For 1 sear rice, I have added 3 sears water. Chalo, let's add this rice into a cooker. Give it a mix and close the cooker lid. Place vessel and wait up to 3 whistles. Once done, remove vessel, open cooker lid. Tada! Coriander rice is ready. Take one basin, transfer coriander rice into it and give it a good mix. Let's serve this into a plate. Place one cup, add raita. That's it. Tasty, tasty coriander rice is ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.